Noe, and I'm here with my cousin.
Hi, it's me, Mayla.
And my other cousin.
Me, Kailey.
And today we're going to be making the colorful scented glitter slimes. We're basically going to be making the slime of our dreams. So let's get right into it. First, I have around 20 millimeters of glue. And I'm going to be putting a little squirt. Ooh, did I mix it?
That's cool.
I'm putting a little squirt of shaving foam for each girl. And then we're going to add, after we mix this in, we're going to add our color. So put this to the side. And I'm going to be adding red. Mila's going to be doing, Kaylee's going to be doing blue, and Mila's going to be doing yellow. So let's add at least like one squirt.
Squirt.
You can add a little more, Mila. Whatever you like to. You can add a lot, you can add a little.
That's the perfect shade I wanted.
I wanted a pink, so this is perfect. Okay, and then after that, once it's all mixed into the color that you want, you're gonna add your scent. You like that color, Mila? It looks like a lemon. What do you think about it? What do you think, Mila?
It looks really cool.
Looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna add my candy scent. And Mila, what color is your scent? Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Ooh. There you go. I like my scent.
Chocolate.
You need help? Oh, you got it? Did you add it?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't see you add any, that's why.
It's just clear.
Okay, that's why. Oh, I like my scent. You like it? You can add more too, if you want.
I just want to take a big juicy bite.
Okay, are you done, or do you want to add anything else before we make this slime? Are you done? Want to add more of this? Yes? I'm going to add a little more for you, okay?
I don't even smell any strawberry.
Okay, you should smell strawberry now. Look, smell this. There you go. You barely added any, that's fine. Okay, now I'm going to add the activator for you, Kaylee. For you, oops. Oh, sorry. And then there we go. Yep, mix for 30 seconds, okay? Good, you gotta mix good. That looks so funny. Kind of looks like And then once it's, what? It's already coming together?
Yeah.
And then, once you're done, you can start mixing with your hands, but you can also add more activator. In case you need more. Want more? Okay. I added more, okay? Okay, I'm taking mine out. This is so cool, Mila. You can start, yeah, you can mix with your hands when you want. Here, use both your hands. Put this down. There you go. Then you can get all the insides. Make sure you clean it up. Okay. I think mine is going to be like a red theme, so I'm going to add red fruit slices and pink glitter. Which like glitter are you going to add, Mila? I'm going to add pink too. So I'm going to put the pink in first, okay? And then you can put it in. Okay, so we are back, and I'm gonna add my little watermelon, because my theme is like watermelon and red and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add my little watermelon fruit slices to it.
Mine's gonna be like a cloud sky theme, so I'm going to add
And Mila's gonna be doing a lemon theme. So she's got her lemons and her gold glitter. So she's adding those now. And I'm gonna add my red /pink glitter. So pretty, and they match your nails. Cause your nails, what color are your nails?
Mine has
Yellow.
like tiny flowers.
Okay, so mine is done, my watermelon theme, and here it is. It is so cool. Are you gonna add any fruit slices to yours, Kailey?
I think I'm good.
I think I'm gonna add strawberries to mine too, because I want all my red.
Done.
And I'm also gonna add the apples in there.
And
the cherries.
bananas because they're a little bit yellow.
Yeah, you want some help? They're pears. Here. You want the pears?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Do you
Take the
see that
ones.
glitter?
Yeah, I do.
And
There they are. Here's one more lemon too.
too much.
Yeah. I can give you more pears. Do you want more pears? So, do you want more pears, Milo? Milo, do you want more pears? No? Is that good?
My head.
Okay, I put them right there. Here. I'll put it right here. Okay. And then last thing I'm gonna add is cherries.
You could add some slices of strawberries.
Of strawberries?
Yeah.
I can?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can, because they are pink. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Mine smells like chocolate. Exactly.
Okay. Whoop!
So,
Fell, but it's okay. It's alright. I got a lot of them in there now, so I'm good. I like them. What about you? Do you like your slimes, guys? Show it to the camera, Melly. Here, put it on there. Here you go. Whoa, so much glitter. So cool, Myla. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep making. Make sure you watch more videos like this down below at their channel.